Hello everyone. Welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are picking the winner for June's giveaway. Just to refresh your memory what the giveaway was, you'll get 3 of this peach, well it's, what's it called? Rose pink, and it's got sparkle in it. You get 3 of them. You will also get an oceans bag with crochet hooks and a pen, and you will also get a notebook with the stickers in. So that is the prize, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your comments and for being members, not only members, I should say, subscribers to my channel. Thank you. During June, I actually reached my 3K goal, which I thought would take me all year, but it didn't. So thank you. So my next goal now is to reach 4,000. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and we'll pick the winner. So good luck everybody, and once again thank you. Okay, so as you can see, I've put the URL in, filter, and the word that I wanted you to write in the comments was rose. So let's get the comments. How many comments? 295. Wow, thank you. So good luck everybody. Let's pick a winner. And it was Vicky Rains. So let me just check to make sure that you're a subscriber. Right, channels, let me click channels. Let's see if I can find me. Excellent. Yep. Excellent. So congratulations, Vicky. You are June's giveaway winner. And she says, I love the song called Every Rose Has Its Thorn. So woohoo! Congratulations, Vicky. Right, congratulations, Vicky. Sorry. So what I need you to do is email me at this email address, your home address, so I can send your parcel out to you. So once again, thank you to each and every one of you who did comment. I wish I could give you all a prize. But yes, so and don't forget to come back the first Tuesday of July, which will be let me see, 1 2 3 4 5, I think it's about 6th of June, July. So if you come back on the 6th of July, we'll have July's giveaway. So that's all from me for today. Thank you once again to everybody who has subscribed, who left a comment, and thank you for your continued support. So I'll leave it for today. Bye bye for now. Don't forget, stay safe but be kind to yourselves. Bye everyone.